Listen up, petrol heads. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their vehicle in top shape, this is for you. We're going to talk about something crucial for your car's health: engine oil. It's more important than you might think. You see, that engine is the heart of your car. And the oil? Well, it's the lifeblood. Without it, your engine wouldn't last very long. It keeps everything running smoothly, reduces friction, and helps prevent your engine from turning into an expensive hunk of metal. Think of it as the unsung hero of your car's performance. Ignoring your oil level is a recipe for disaster. It's like running a marathon without water. Eventually, you're going to hit a wall. Low oil means increased friction, which leads to overheating and eventually a seized engine. This can cause irreparable damage. Trust me, you don't want to be stranded on the hard shoulder with smoke billowing from under the bonnet. It's not just inconvenient, it's also dangerous. Checking your oil regularly can save you a lot of trouble. It's a small step that can prevent big problems. It's a quick and easy task that anyone can do. You don't need to be a mechanic to keep an eye on your oil levels. By taking a few minutes every month, you can catch potential problems early on and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. It's a simple habit that pays off in the long run. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you won't need a mechanic's tool chest for this job. In fact, you only need 3 things: a dipstick, a funnel, and the correct engine oil. The dipstick is usually brightly colored and located near the engine block. It's your trusty tool for checking the oil level. The funnel will help you pour oil without making a mess. Lastly, make sure you have the right engine oil for your car. Check your owner's manual for the recommended type and grade. Remember, using the wrong oil can do more harm than good. So don't just grab any old bottle off the shelf. Right? If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe now for more car maintenance tips. Right then, let's get down to business. First things first, park your car on a level surface and make sure the engine is off and cool. You don't want to burn yourself on a hot engine. Now locate the dipstick and pull it out. Wipe the dipstick clean with a rag or a paper towel. This will ensure you get an accurate reading. Reinsert the dipstick fully, making sure it's seated properly. Now pull it out again and have a look. The dipstick will have 2 marks, a minimum and a maximum level. Ideally, the oil level should be between these 2 marks. If it's below the minimum, well, it's time to top up. Don't forget to subscribe now for more car maintenance tips. Section 4, topping up, don't overfill. This is a crucial step in maintaining your engine's health. If you find yourself needing to add oil, the first thing you need to do is locate the oil filler cap. It's usually on top of the engine and marked with an oil can symbol. Unscrew the cap carefully, making sure not to drop it. Now, grab your funnel and your bottle of oil. The funnel helps to avoid spills and makes the process cleaner. Pour the oil slowly and steadily, keeping a close eye on the level. This ensures you don't accidentally overfill. Remember, it's better to add a little at a time than to overfill. Overfilling can cause serious engine problems. Once you think you've added enough, screw the cap back on tightly. This prevents any oil from leaking out. Wait a minute or 2 for the oil to settle, then check the level again using the dipstick. This ensures an accurate reading. If it's still below the minimum, add a bit more oil. Be patient and add small amounts. If it's above the maximum, you've overfilled, and it's best to have a mechanic drain some out. Overfilling can damage seals and gaskets. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe now for more car maintenance tips. Section 5, keep your engine happy. That's it. This section is all about ensuring your car's engine remains in top-notch condition. You've successfully checked and topped up your car's oil like a pro. It's a simple yet essential task that can save you from major headaches down the road. See, I told you it was easy. With just a little bit of effort, you can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Now make it a habit to check your oil level at least once a month or before any long journeys. This small routine can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Remember, regular oil changes are also crucial for maintaining a healthy engine. Fresh oil ensures that all the moving parts are well lubricated and functioning properly. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended oil change intervals. Each car is different, and following the manufacturer's guidelines is key to optimal performance. By keeping an eye on your oil level and sticking to a regular maintenance schedule, you'll be doing your car a world of good. It's a small investment of time that pays off in the long run, so there you have it. A few simple steps to keep your engine happy and your car running smoothly. A little bit of knowledge and a few minutes of your time can go a long way in prolonging the life of your beloved car. It's all about being proactive and attentive. Keep those engines running smoothly and remember, drive safe. Your car will thank you for it and you'll enjoy a more reliable ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.